भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। Now rub your hands, touch your eyes, touch your face. Okay, good morning, namaskar everyone. Namaskar everyone. Good morning Man. Good morning Divyanshu. Shall we start with our topic today? Let rest of the kids join बेटा. सबको आ जाने दो, उसके बाद हम ज्वाइन करेंगे. ओके, चालू करेंगे. How many kids are left? Come on, join fast everyone. Join fast. दिव्यांशु क्यों चला गया भाई? Okay, let us start with today's classwork and homework. Okay, so today's classwork is in notebook. Take out your notebook everyone. Take out your English notebook. Take out your English notebook everyone. सबने बुक निकाली? नोटबुक? Yes or no? Take out your notebook everyone, English notebook. Okay. Take out your English notebook beta. We will classwork. Wait for 1 minute. Let everyone join first. I have voice JV. Now are you getting my voice beta? I have voice JV. Beta rest everyone is getting my voice. Javeer, change your place. You need to change your place beta. Divyanshu, why you are again leaving the meeting and rejoining beta? Why you are leaving the don't leave the meeting before, okay? Okay. Let us start with our today's classwork. Write down CW over here. Date. Which is the date? 14/10. 10. Which is 10th month? October. Which is 10th month? October 2021. 2021. आप लोगों को पिक्चर ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जिसको आता है वो ड्रॉ करेंगे. बाकी अगर ड्रॉ नहीं करते हैं तो इट्स ओके, इट्स फाइन. ओके एवरीवन. देयर इज नो नीड टू ड्रॉ द पिक्चर. अगर आती है तो करो, नहीं आती है तो कोई बात नहीं. इज दैट क्लियर एवरीवन? Shall we start with our topic? Yes or no? Are you all ready? Ready with your notebooks? Okay. So write down. You just write down A or N. A or N. What is A or N? A और N क्या है? Articles. क्या है? Articles. A N क्या है? Articles. Vowels के साथ क्या लगता है? A N. What goes with the vowel? A N. What goes with the vowel? A N. And what goes with the consonant? A. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Which is the first picture? Bat. And B is a consonant. Then what will come here? Which article? A. Which article? A. A bat. A bat. A bat. A bat. Yes, very good everyone. Next is ball. B is again a consonant. Then what will come here? A. Very good. A. Article A. Why? Because A is a good friend of consonant. A is a good friend of consonant. Next picture. Pen. Again, P is a consonant. Then what will come here? A pen. Done everyone? हो गया? Have you all finished till 3? बेटा 3rd तक हो गया आप लोगों का सबका. Should I start with number 4? Yes or no? माहिया क्यों नहीं हुआ बेटा? करो. चलो नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. Igloo. Double O. Igloo. And which is the first letter? I. And I is a vowel. Then what will come along with the vowel? A-N. An igloo. Done? Which picture is this? Elephant. Okay. Which is the first letter of an elephant? E. E is a vowel. Then what will come here? A-N. What will come here? A-N. Because N is a best friend of vowel. N is best friend of vowel. Done? Everyone done? Okay. Next picture. Which is the next picture? Orange. Orange. Oh, orange. Oh, orange. Which is the first letter over here? O. O. And O is a vowel. O is a vowel. And what comes along with the vowel? A-N. What comes along with the vowel? A-N. A-N. And orange. O, orange. O, orange. Yes. Next is apple. Apple. What is it? Apple. Apple. Okay. Then what is the first letter over here? A. A. What comes with A? Vowel. A is a vowel. Then what will come here? A-N. A-N. Next is, which is the next picture? Table. 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 T is again a consonant. T is consonant. Then what comes along with the consonant? A. 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 Next is book. 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 B is again a consonant. B is again a consonant. Then what will come along with the consonant? A. A. Done, everyone? Done? Okay. Which is the next picture? Mango. 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 Go. Mango. Then again M is a consonant. M is a consonant. And what comes along with the consonant? A. 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 Right? Okay. Can you see these pictures? This is cat. 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 Again C is a consonant. C is a consonant. Then what comes along with the consonant? A. A. Right. Next picture is rat. Rat. Then again, what is R? R is a consonant. R is a consonant. And what comes along with the consonant? A. 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 Next picture is arrow. 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 Which is the first letter here? Vowel. A is a vowel. A is a vowel. And what comes along with the vowel? A-N. What comes with the vowel? A-N. Have you all finished? हो गया सबका? Yes or no? An arrow. Yes, very good. Done, everyone? Yes? क्या हुआ बेटा? You have not finished? Yes? मैम आई विल सेंड द पिक ओनली. मैं पिक्चर भेज दूंगी, ठीक है? आई विल क्लिक द पिक्चर एंड आई विल सेंड इन द ग्रुप ओनली. Done everyone? Welcome ma'am. Okay, now it's time to explain something. Let me explain you something, okay? This is only the revision. These are the words A, E, I, O, and you don't have to write down in the notebook. You just need to understand. ठीक है बेटा, लिखना नहीं है आप लोगों को, ये मैं आपको सिर्फ समझा रही हूँ. Vowels, and these are B, C, D, F, G, H. These are the consonants. These are the vowels. Okay. How many letters are there in the vowel? 5. है ना? Total how many alphabets are there? 26. How many alphabets are there? 26. 26 में से 21 consonant. 26 में से 21 consonants. And remaining 5 are vowels. Article A and N. Now, who is the good friend of N? Who is the best friend of N? Vowel. Who is the best friend of vowel? A-N. Who is the best friend of vowel? A-N. And who is the good friend of consonant? A. Who is the good friend of consonant? A. Is that clear to everyone? The meaning is that whenever the word start with the vowels A, E, I, O, U, there comes N. Example, apple, right? N apple. क्या आएगा? Because A is a vowel. And again, whenever the word start with the consonant like bat, what will come? A. Is that clear to everyone? Whenever the word starts with vowel, there comes A-N. And whenever the word starts with consonant, there comes A. Because vowel is the best friend of N. And N is the best friend of vowel. And consonant is the best friend of A article. And A article is best friend of consonant. Is that clear to everyone? Any doubt, anyone? किसी को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया बेटा? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? माया क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा? Please let me know. माया clear? Okay बच्चा. Anyone any doubt? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? कुछ समझ में नहीं आया? Please write in the chat box. I will make it clear बेटा. On Saturday I am going to take a test. ठीक है? Saturday को आप लोग स्कूल आने वाले हो and I am going to take a test of articles. Okay? Done everyone? Rui? Okay, done. No doubt. Very good. Thank you everyone. Did you enjoy the class? Switch on your cameras, everyone. Switch on your cameras.
Unmuted.
Switch on your cameras. Done everyone? Show me your notebooks, everyone. Show me your notebook. Let me check. Show me your notebook and try to make it clear, okay? Very good. Very good. Very good, everyone. Maya, have you done, beta? Maya? Sampurna, done? Very good, beta. Very good. Nice handwriting, huh? Beta, Maya. Maya, show me your notebook. नहीं लिखा है आपने? Children, now you are going to come to school on Saturday, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so then I will meet you over there. Okay, not in FCC. There will be live class on Saturday. Is that clear? Okay, very good. See you on Saturday, everyone. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, Basha. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
આર્ટિકલ એ લેવાનો જો વોવેલ A E I O U